Every year, Production Machining's Emerging Leaders program brings young leaders in the precision machining industry into the spotlight.
Who I look to for mentorship, I've kind of made like a board of directors in the last year over all the different segments of my life. But when it comes to leadership here at Liberty, we have a lot of military veterans, combat veterans.
And since I was younger, I kind of grew up watching Mythbusters. So Adam Savage from Mythbusters, he also has a channel on YouTube called Tested that I watch a lot.
My dad, he is my biggest inspiration, where his background is engineering as well.
From an inspiration standpoint, I mean, I look to who's the best in what I want to aspire towards. You know, I'm a huge golfer, so I've read a lot and done a lot of research on Tiger Woods and Ben Hogan and Sam Snead and all the greats, right?
The management team here at Northeastern Machine. So throughout my career here, they have been tremendously helpful and supportive of my position, my personal growth. They push me when I need to be pushed, and they also bend my ear to ideas that I might have overlooked.
And my mentorship that I would look at would be my boss, which I've been working in advanced control system for the past 12 years now, and it was one-on-one mentorship that I would get. So I would say that it would be 4C mentorship that I got from him.
Second person I look up to as far as the education side would be Titan from Titans of CNC. He seems to have a huge focus on the education side and teaching people about CNC and stuff, and it's really inspirational.
So whenever I have questions or concerns come up and stuff, there's always somebody with some leadership experience from their fields, the military field. They have a lot of experience in leadership and solving these problems in high stress situations. One person that comes to mind is Pat Thompson.
I've been very fortunate through my career, starting off in engineering. One of the women engineer took me under her wing and mentored me for the first 3 years of my career. Really set me up and set me on a good path to be successful. So mentors are extremely important.